Are you struggling with watering your plants at the right time? If that's you, this self-watering kit is going to change your life. After about 4 seasons of using a similar self-wicking pot, I've come to discover some amazing benefits. This system keeps the moisture level consistent at all time, which means your plant are never stressed by fluctuation in watering. This steady moisture not only prevents from over or under watering, but it also ensures optimal oxygenation for the roots. As a result, your plants grow healthier, more vibrant, and more resilient. It's a game changer for any gardener looking to simplify their routine and boost plant health at the same time. That's why I absolutely recommend it, especially to beginner growers, even if you're not getting this particular one, but overall self-watering pots are definitely a game changer overall. However, this one in particular does offer some benefits that the other self-watering pots in the market do not have, especially this reservoir holding 40 liters of water, which is somewhere around 10 gallons, which should be able to keep these 4 plants watered for at least over a week. Depending on your stage, it could be longer. Now let's talk about assembly. One of the things that I do like about this Spider Farmer self-watering kit is how easy it was to put together. You don't really need any special tools or complicated instructions. In just a few simple steps and you're done. I should mention that this system is completely silent, and another fantastic benefit is that this system is gravity fed, which means you don't have to rely on pumps or electricity to water your plants. This not only reduces the risk of mechanical failure, but it also makes it super energy efficient and eco-friendly. Your plants get a consistent supply of water without any extra effort on your part. Assembly was truly a breeze and didn't take much time at all. Once I had it all put together, I filled it up with water and ran the system. The hoses felt really sturdy and high quality, so I had no concerns about future leaks. And true to my expectations, there was no leaks from the start, and everything ran super smoothly right out of the gate. Now let's talk about the pots that come with the self-watering kit. I filled them up with a mix of coco coir and perlite, which provided excellent aeration and drainage. But if you prefer, you could also use organic soil, and it works just as well with this system. One of the things that I do like about these pots in particular is that they are taller compared to their competitors. Taller pots have some distinct benefits. They encourage deeper root growth, which can lead to a healthier plant overall. Plus, they help with better stability and can reduce the risk of root-bound plants. It's definitely a great design choice to pair it with this system. Previously, I had been using these 3-gallon fabric pots that were almost as tall as the ones I'm using now. I really do prefer them, but unfortunately the maker of those pots stopped producing them, so I've had to reuse them for about 4 years now. It was tough finding those tall pots on Amazon. Now that I've discovered Spider Farmer makes these tall 5-gallon pots, I'll definitely be switching over to those. And if any of you guys are interested in discount codes or links to everything that I'm using on this video, be sure to check out the description below. As for the strains that I'll be growing this season, it's going to be Scented Marker, Double Runts, Purple Milk, and I decided to bring back the Apple Fritter, even though it was one of the longer flowering plants. And now friends, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it's greatly appreciated. And like I always like to say, I don't want to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.